guys, today I don't really know what we're going to be doing, but I know that it's a sad day. But today is not that day. So, comment down below right now what you think we should be doing on our next video. Because I think I have an idea. So, come right down. No, over here. And, ow, I just conked my head. I'm going to be showing you some slime. I haven't got slime.
Ah! I poked my hip. Alrighty.
Don't mind about it here. I know it's a mess. Right here, we have some glittery pink slime, and I named it Bubblegum.
Ooh.
This is
Wait, but...
not,
Alright, I guess you could name
this
it.
is not a good one, though.
Hmm.
This one right here, probably wondering why I have it taped up. It's the enemy slime. It's the worst slime in the world.
It is? Oh, M&M's. Wait, is that
let me
wait,
show
is this half filled with slime? Hold on. Is this one filled with slime?
Yeah, I'll show you this one then. So this is called M&M slime. And
Does it really have M&M's in it?
No, but it feels weird.
Can I feel it?
Like,
Is it
it's
sticky?
very sticky.
Oh, well then I guess I don't want to.
So, yeah.
Did you?
And this one, I can't open it, but just to tell you, it's clear. And everybody knows the clear slime looks like. I hope. This is like very bad slime.
Oh, well,
It's
can I feel it
melted.
to see if it's red?
It's melted. Like, just don't.
Ooh, it feels so good. Can I keep it?
No.
We use it.
No.
People.
Is sand and Play-Doh. It just makes
Yeah,
every
I
text-
gave her some of my slime from my house.
These are just two little extra.
Babies.
These are just two little extra bowls.
For what? Making more?
Yeah.
What? Making like more
Whenever I
slime?
need it. This is a
Wait.
link something.
My leg is in the way.
This is. I just store some of my stuff in here. This used to go on my desk.
And I don't even know why Bridget
For
would do that.
Halloween.
Oh wait, hold on. What's this? Is this some fluffy slime or something?
Let me see. I make some weird slimes.
Can I
No.
see this one?
This is like foam slime.
Oh my gosh, it feels so
It's
weird.
satisfying. So here, so you just be
Hold on.
quiet.
Oh my gosh, that actually.
That's so satisfying to me. I don't know. Comment down below if you think it's satisfying, because I think it is. But I'll see back here because you do not belong.
So
This
is this
is
the end of the
really-
video or wow?
No.
Or what?
No. This is like some laundry detergent slime. It never worked out. Never use laundry detergent on slime. But always use your Elmer glue. This is to make your slime feel very smelly.
Oh yeah, this was to take away the smell because I used to do this. Like, yeah.
This is another satisfying one.
It is?
Can
I feel it first?
I'm just with all these satisfying things. This is not. I love that poke sound. Oh my god, it's like, look. I don't know if you can see that part, but here, look.
Hold on.
Can I see it? Like focus it. Good.
It's like poked, like or whatever.
I don't know, but my finger, it's not sticky at all. So this is my favorite.
Oh, that's
Even
my
though
favorite
that
too.
says
Just so you know.
No, I still like it.
I like only the satisfying slimes in here.
This is a candle. Yeah, it used to be on my desk. As I said, I store stuff like these two things. Yeah. I'm weird. This is just, I put it in there.
To make slime or something?
No, this is shaving cream. And I have my white glue because my Ivy, my friend who's recording it right now,
Yeah.
her name's not really Ivy, just to say. Yeah. This is some slime that
She just
brought
made
me.
up that name.
Yeah.
But my
This
real
some
name is Eve.
slime that she brought me.
Yeah, but my real name is Eve, not
So,
Ivy.
Anyways, I would really like you to comment down below if you like this video. Did you not? Do you have swim at home? And do you have brothers and sisters? Bye.